So, hi everyone, it's me, Denny Daniel, and from the Museum of Interesting Things. And believe it or not, we're on the Intrepid today. So if you've never heard of the Intrepid, you've been living under a rock. We just did a show for the Intrepid camp. So if you have kids, put your kids in the Intrepid camp. And I have Dorothy, who's in charge of it here, and she's going to open up a new acquisition for the Museum of Interesting Things. So, of course, for Dorothy, I'm going to actually bring everything out. So there's going to be a bunch of items here. See all these letters and things, and I'm going to mix them up like a 42nd Street shell game, which I actually, and we're near 42nd Street, and I actually, as a kid, remember the shell games. Oh, those were so cool. The only difference is there isn't a quarter under any of these, so you don't win a quarter, sorry. So pick a letter, any letter. Cool. Like a drummer's seat here.
Yeah,
you
exactly,
drum when
exactly what it is.
I know, because I was in band.
Bend anything.
I think you'll be all right.
I think it's in another bag.
It's like one of those Russian dolls.
Yeah.
I always hear the Mission Impossible theme whenever I open packages. And I figure years from now they'll sue us for thought crime. All your patrons think of our song.
There you go. Let's put something in here.
I hope so. Imagine going to the Metropolitan Museum of Art and opening the mummies.
Incredible.
I don't think that's a mummy.
I don't think so.
No. It might be a picture of the mummy at best.
Looks like a card, a postcard.
Of all things for
So
you to
cute.
open, this is so perfect for you. I cannot believe it. Do you know what this is? You teach kids.
Right.
Well, this is when your kids are good. It's a reward of merit.
Cute.
So back in the 1800s, you as a teacher would sign this saying you were a good kid. And this one is cute because it's got the kid doing the spider in front of the little girl. So this is one of the nicest ones I've ever seen.
That's great.
Wow.
Great.
And like I said, you don't know this, but they do. 80% of people that open packages for the museum, it's ironic to their personality in some sort of way.
I did another one that was similar.
Was it? Yeah, that's right. Everyone you've opened has been like perfect for your personality. And you were also in charge of the Children's Museum at one point.
No.
Were you in New York?
No.
Or you were doing didn't you work there at one point?
No.
Oh, okay. I'm wrong. But you are doing the Intrepid camp, which is just, that is so perfect.
That's
so
beautiful.
we'll have to make up some of these for you to give the kids
That would be
that
super.
have been good.
That would be great.
So wow, that is a cool one.
Yeah, that's great. Thanks, Danny.
We're going to say goodbye from the Intrepid.
Bye.